Today we're cooking yellow split pea lentils and red lentils. We're going to start by cooking the yellow split peas, which were soaked, and I think we soaked them for about an hour and a half. We've added water, roughly about 2.5 fingers above the lentils. We've added 6 cloves of garlic sliced, as you can see. Then we've added 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 heaped teaspoons of red chilli powder, and then half a teaspoon of turmeric. Once you've mixed everything in, you're going to add some oil. We have grapeseed oil in the house, so we added a tiny drop of grapeseed oil. My mother-in-law told me that we do this just to make sure that the water doesn't boil over, which I thought was such a really cool kitchen tip. So you mix all of this together and you put it on a boil. We did ours on semi-high, so my stove top, it's an electric one and it's got numbers, and so we put it on number 7, I think it was. My mother-in-law is currently overstaying with us and she knows all of these incredible one-pot recipes. This is one of them. It's easy, it's simple. We put it on and then we left it there. I'm finding all of her recipes incredibly helpful and really easy and simple to follow, which is why I thought I would create videos about them, just so that they could be there to help anyone else who might need those easy recipes when you've got a really busy day with kids and work and you need a home-cooked meal. Once your yellow split peas have semi-cooked, you're going to add your lentils, which you can see me do here. Mix it in and again, leave it there. We're cooking it on 7 again. We kept stirring just to check the taste and flavor, making sure that we didn't need to add more water. Whilst this was happening, we were getting the tarka ready. So with dals, you normally add the spices afterwards, which is called the tarka. For the tarka, we did garlic, again, sliced. We did zeera, which is cumin seeds. And we did the tarka in Desi Ghee, which you can see here. And then we've added it right at the end once everything's cooked. And voila, done!